Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really exciting and festive since it is Christmas season, and for all you Diecast collectors out there. So it's Christmas, and what's better way to celebrate than unboxing not one, not two, but three incredible Honda Civic models from three awesome Diecast brands. And we've got Kaido House, this one, Kaido House, and of course that is with a collaboration with Mini GT. That's the Honda Civic EF Kaido Works. That's the version 1. Second is we have the Pop Race S2601 Pandem Civic EQ6. That's the version of it. And the Majorette Honda Civic Type R EK9. And each of these is a gem in its own right, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's dive into this holiday unboxing. So let's start with this beauty, Kaido House Mini GT's Honda Civic EF Kaido Works version 1. So check out the box. It's sleek and just checking out the box, guys. And of course, this is the trademark of Kaido House. They give you this nice packaging, all right? And of course, the mix of retro and modern really stand out with this Kaido. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, I'm sure it's okay from here. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. You know what, guys? I like to keep plastic at least. And holding up this speaker on the other side. Here we go. Look at that. See, wow, it's a nice picture. Car culture for all scales. Yes, that's a trademark. The side, and here it is. Look at this paint job, guys. Let's focus more. Let's put more light. Okay. This metallic finish. Yes, that metallic finish is stunning. And those Kaido House decals are Chef's Kiss. It got a wide body kit, lowered stance, and those wheels. Absolutely a killer, guys. See how deep is this? Wow. Wide body. Look at that. And check this out, guys. Rubber tires. And of course, this one. Slowly. There you go. All right. And the opening parts. And of course, outstanding, outstanding. Some incredible engine details. Wow. Not bad, not bad. Mini GT always nails it, and this is no exception. It's a must-have for JDM fans, right? Look at that. Wow. Let me know, guys, if this is your favorite Kaido release so far. You can see that. The interior, you can see the interior. You have the roll cage, red roll cage. Very nice. Perfect for Christmas gift. Right? It's just Kaido House on the bottom. How I wish they change it into more like engine like, I don't know, but it's just, this is very nice. As you can see. Wow. So let's move to the next one. Next up is the we've got the Pop Race Pandem Civic EQ6. Look at the packaging, guys. This is, yeah, basic and more likely similar to other Pop Race release. Nothing really special. But as always, I like to keep the plastic. I think I need to change the blade of this knife. It's not sharp anymore. Finally. Mm. You know, Pop Race always actually always does an amazing job making their products feel premium. You can already tell, yeah, that this is going to be something special. Right. But actually, their packaging is more likely similar to Mini GT using this. Okay, it's blue, but sometimes it looks purple. Yeah. So actually, this is wow, very nice. Wow. Oh, I like it. The headlights. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. And this wide body Pandem kit looks absolutely aggressive. See this? Let's focus more. See that? This is like pearl or metallic with a flaky, small flaky paint job. Um, it's not matte, it's more glossy, and combined with the library makes it looks like a track beast. So as you can see, the Pandem, yeah, Pandem library. You have this rocket bunny, yeah, that one. Look at the attention to details, guys. At the back, look at that, right? Look at the attention to details on the front splitter. That is amazing. The spoiler, guys. The wing. I mean, the wing. This is like a medium-sized wing. Not so massive, but it's sure give you an impression. The wheels is also nice. It's rolling. Nice details as well. Very nice. Let's take this. That is how the stance. The car looks like. It's really nice. That's attention to details, guys. Really nice. Let's check that. This is what I mean. I wanted to have this kind of look under chassis. You can at least you have these details. But Kaido House, take a look, right? But let's see if this opens too. Oh, 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 wow! This looks more better. You have this engine guard. Look, it has more details, guys. You have this air intake. Wow, that is more details, guys, compared to Kaido Kaido House engine. Very basic, but this, wow, it's a great comparison. Both of them has a rubber side mirror. The side mirror of this pop race is a bit uh, more likely softer, yeah. But take a look the engine bay, guys. Wow, impressive. That is really nice. A great competition, guys. Comparison. You have to check both of them. Yeah. The the wheels is also good. Rotating rubber tires in the mugs is great details. It's a six. Yeah, I forgot what is the name. Just but they have six, and the wheels of Kaido is like five. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. So last but not the least, we have the Majorette. Okay. So Majorette Honda Civic Type R EK9. Majorette might not have the premium reputation of like Mini GT or Pop Race, but they sure know how to deliver fun and collectible diecast as well. As you can see, it has a opening hood as well, similar to the Kaido and Kaido, and also Mini GT. So I'm just going to rip this apart. Maybe you're interested to look at the back. This is, by the way, 13 euro. So it's quite expensive as well, but anyway, let's do this. Okay. Ta-da. That's the back. Oh, what's inside the tarmac? Right, they have this attachment. Okay, you have this wheels. So this EK9 is actually a classic. Let's remove it. Okay. Right. So and so as what I've said, this is EK9 is a classic, and Majorette does its justice actually, giving this full details. Yeah, it's got a clean white paint job, and Type R badging and sporty looks overall. Opening hood as well, and the hood doesn't have any paint, but it has some details. Yeah, as you can see, nice color of the headlights. It's blue, similar to the windows. Okay, so this is where you put the wheels, which is too big. Not the same. Just yeah, just to add on. Hoping you can remove this. If ever you can remove it. Oh, okay, you can. You can, but it will leave some holes. It has a plate number, a very nice logo, Honda logo, and you can see it's only painted. Tail light, and I was hoping that these are holes, but it's just all paint. Yeah. Well, something that makes Majorette stand out in the price range, but it's still expensive though for 13 euro. Sure, it's not as detailed as the other two, but yeah, compared to the price, very small difference. So I rather go with those two. Okay, this is the under chassis, plastic, uh, plastic wheels, similar to Hot Wheels, but the details actually the decals, it's really nice. You have the sponsorship, Bilstein, Honda. Yeah, it's a really nice details actually. Yeah, so this is a fantastic little model. It's great for beginners or anyone who loves the timeless EK9 design. It's really nice. Yeah. Sorry, I haven't installed this yet. Okay, so you need to pop this up under chassis, and this is the new look. You have a front splitter, side skirt, instant side skirt, and the tail. Mm-hmm. Oops. Okay, that is how it is. Right. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up by comparing all three together. So there you have it, our Christmas unboxing of Kaido House Mini GT, Honda Civic EF, the Pop Race Pandem Civic EQ6, and the Majorette Honda Civic Type R EK9. Each one has its own unique charm, but the premium details of Mini GT and Pop Race to the fun and accessibility of Majorette. So, guys, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell icon for more diecast content. Have a Merry Christmas and happy collecting.